Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. Today we are going to discuss questions on mathematical operations which is useful for UPSC Prelims CSAT paper 2. Right friends, simultaneously you can download daily news analysis from our Telegram channels, right? You can call me at this following number, that is 9640123412. Next we move further. Friends, you can text me at the same number, that is at WhatsApp number 9640123412, and you can follow me on my Facebook page. You can subscribe my blogs for getting an interesting articles related to personality developments and UPSC related articles. Right friends? To get other various kinds of PDF, you can you can join our Telegram channel, that is Acquire IAS. The links will be given in the following description box. Like other various PDFs means you can download daily newspaper, friends, right? Daily newspaper, so you need not to buy any kind of newspaper, right? Next we move further. So this is a challenging series which I have promised you earlier, so I'm just following that. So today's our topic is mathematical operations, right friends, which is most useful for paper 2 of the CSAT. So introductory section of the mathematical operations has been done in the previous video itself. So now in this video we will do some sort of questions which is most useful and which are most probably asked in various other kind of examinations, right? And it is also useful in UPSC exams, right? So now please note down the question here. If plus indicates to minus, subtraction. Next, multiplication indicates to divided by. Similarly, yes friends, similarly divided by indicates to plus. Next, minus is indicating to the multiplied by. Then which would be the following equation value is the correct for the given expression? Now let us see what is expression here. So the expression is 252 multiplied by 9 minus, that is my subtraction 5, addition, that is plus 32 divided by 92. So what would be the answer for this? So here option number A is 95, option number B is 168, option number C is 192, and option number D is 200. Then comes our option number E is none of the above, right friends? So you have to solve this problem, right? So now let me explain you how to solve this problem. So let me tell you the answer first. The answer for this question is option number D is the right answer. So now please friends, if you know the process how to solve this kind of problem, pause the video and do try to attempt the question and let me know in the comment sections whether the answer is right or wrong for you, right friends? Be honest for yourself. There is no rewards in this section for you, so no one is giving you a reward, so be honest friends, right? So now let me tell you the answers for this. First of all, we will change the equation itself. The equation is saying 252 multiplied by, so multiplied by, it will change it as divided by 9 minus will indicate to multiplication, right friends? So let me take the eraser, right friends? So here minus is indicating to multiplication, 5, addition means minus, next 32 divided by means plus, then 92. Right friends, so this is our equation. Now we will solve the problem friends. It should be solved according to the BODMAS, BODMAS, right friends. So first of all, we should come from this direction, right? Bracket, there is no bracket in this equation. Next, there is no off in this section equation. There is a division in this section, in this equation. Is there? Yes friends, it is there. Here it is 252 divided by 9, right friends? So 252 divided by 9 means how much friends? So I will show you how to do it. 9 252, right friends? So see here friends, 9 2s are 18, right? So rest it is 7, then 2 comes here, then 9 8s 72, right friends? So 0 will be the remainder. So here 28 will be the answer. 28. Next you should write the remaining equation as it is, right friends? So no need to change here. Now we have done division also, so just strike it off. Then we will move for multiplication friends, right? Multiplications, there is 9 5s are 45, right friends? Here, sorry, not 9 5s are here into 5 minus 32 plus 92, right friends? Then you will see here multiplied by, then if we multiply 28 into 5, so we will multiply these things. See here 28, 5 5s are 40, 5 2s are 10 14, so 140 will be answer for 28 into 5. 140 minus 32 plus 92, right friends? Next we have done multiplication. Next we are going to do addition, that is 140 plus 92, 2 13 2, so 232 minus 32, which is equal which is 200 friends, right? So finally our answer is 2, right friends? In this method you have to solve, right friends? So we will move for the next question. Let me take new page, right friends? So this is our second question for this lecture. Now let me tell you the question, and you please do try to attempt this question friends, right? If plus indicates to multiplication, if addition indicates to multiplied by, next multiplied by will indicates to minus, then divided by will indicate to addition, then subtraction will indicate to division, right friends? So just solve the equation. So what is equation for this question? That is 175 minus 25 divided by 5 plus 20 into 3 plus 10, right friends? So you have to solve this question. So first of all, let me rewrite the statement correctly. That is 175 minus means divided by 25, next divided by means addition, my 5 plus means multiplied by, then 20 multiplied by means minus 3, addition means multiplied by 10. So this is our equation. So you have to write the correct answer. So our options are here. Let me give you an options. Option A is 77, option B is 160, then option C is 240, next option D is 2370, then comes our option E is none of the above. Reference, option E is none of the above. So pause the video and do try to attempt this question, right friends? So now let me solve this question. First of all, if we solve 175 divided by 25, it will be 7 times, right friends? How it will be 75? Because 25 4s are 100, next 25 3s are 75, right friends? So 175 overall, 4 5 6 7, right friends? So we have got this 7. In this way you have to calculate in your examination in shortest way, right friends? 7 plus 5 into 20 minus 3 into 10, right friends? So we should follow BODMAS, BODMAS. So we have done till D, that is division. Next we are seeing to multiplication, that is 5 2s are 10. Here one more 0 we will add, into 3 1s are 3. Here one more 0 we will add, plus 7. So our total is 107 minus 30. 107 minus 30, which would be 77, right friends? So our answer option number A is the right answer, right friends? Next we see further next question. There is third question. Right friends, third question is little bit different, but it is easy, so it will be interesting as well. So do try to attempt this question, right? So here L indicates to addition, M indicates to minus, that is subtraction, N indicates to multiplication, next P indicates to divided by, right friends? So now our equation is 14n 10l 42p 2m8 equals to question mark. So first of all, let us change this equation, right friends? So before that, let me give you an options for this. Option number A is 153, option number B is 216, option number C is 248, and option number D is 251, right friends? So these are the options for you, so please do try to attempt this question, right? Next our equation is 14n, n means here it will indicates to multiplication, then 10l, that is addition, 42 p means divided by 2, m, that is subtraction 8, right friends? So we have to follow the same rule, that is BODMAS, right? So first of all, there is no B and O, that is bracket and off, so there is a divided by in the equation, here it is, so we have to solve this. So for 42 divided by 2, it will be 21 minus 8 plus 10 into 14, right friends? So next we have done D, next we are going to M, that is multiplied by, that is 14 tens are 140 plus 21 minus 8, then we have done multiplied by, next we are coming to addition, that is 140 plus 21, that is 161 minus 8, right friends, which would be 153, right, which would be 153. So our option number A will be the right answer, right friends? Sorry. Next we move further to the next question. So here our next question will be fourth one. So now let me tell you the question first of all. If less than means less than will indicates to minus, then greater than will indicates to plus, right friends? Here let me write you, greater than will indicates to addition, equals to will indicates to multiplied by, next dollar will indicates to divided by, right friends? So in this way the symbols will be changing in equation. So let me tell you the equation first of all. The equation is 27, Alright friend, equation is 27 is greater than 81, $9 is less than 6, question mark. And your options are option number A is 6, option number B is 33, and option number C is 36, and option number D is 54, and option number E is none of the above, right friends? So now you have to solve this question. So first of all, let us solve the equation. We will change this equation into simplest form, that is 27 is less than means plus $81 means divided by 9 less than means minus 6, right friends? So first of all we will go for divided by, that is 9 9s 81 minus 6 9 plus 27, right? BODMAS, right friends? So we have done till D. Next multiplication, so there is no multiplication in this, so we will strike it off just. Next it is given as addition, that is 27 plus 9, it would be 36 minus 6, then last it is 30, right friends? So our answer is none of the above, that is 30 will be the answers and 30 is not present in the given options, right friends? So next we move further the next question, and it would be our last question for this lecture, right friends? So let me tell you the question first. Here, if addition indicates to divided by, next subtraction indicates to addition, next multiplication indicates to minus, that is subtraction, next divided by indicates to multiplication, right friends? So now let me tell you the equation first of all, that is 24 divided by 12 minus 18 plus 9, right friends? So this is your equation. Please do try to attempt this question. Next options are minus 25, that is A option is minus 25, B is 0.72, and C is 15.30, and D is 290, and option number E is none of the above, right friends? None of the above. So here our options are 24 divided by means multiplied by 12, minus means addition 18, plus means divided by 9, right friends? Divided by 9. Now let me solve the question for you. So here we should write this board mass. You need not write this kind of board mass rules in your examinations. You should just calculate in your mind, friends, right? So first of all we will solve this D. So 9 2s are 18, so here we will put up 2, then 12, rest will be the same equation. Next multiplication, there is so there is multiplication, 24 into 12, it would be 288 friends plus 2, right? And our answer will be 290. So answer number, option number D will be the right answer, right friends? So I hope you enjoyed the video. So please do subscribe for Acquire IAS, and if you have any doubts in this lecture, or if you want to bring up me some kind of other videos as well, so you can comment me in the below sections, right friends? So thank you very much, have a great day.